Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file old taxes. Filing past due tax returns is crucial for several reasons. You could be missing out on a significant refund, as the IRS generally allows 3 years to claim one. Additionally, filing helps you avoid escalating penalties and interest charges for unfiled returns or unpaid taxes. It also ensures you remain in good standing, which is often necessary for securing loans or certain government assistance programs. Let's dive into the process. Now, let's talk about gathering your essential documents. You'll need all income statements, such as your W-2 forms from employers or 1099 forms for contract work or investments. Don't forget records for any deductions or credits you might qualify for, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having your prior year's tax returns can also be a helpful guide. If you're missing documents, contact your employer's banks or the IRS directly for transcripts. Once your documents are in order, it's time to prepare your returns. Ensure you use the correct tax forms for each specific year you're filing, as forms change annually. While tax software can help, for multiple past years, a qualified tax professional might be invaluable. Calculate any penalties and interest that may apply, though the IRS might waive some penalties under certain circumstances. Finally, mail each completed return in a separate envelope to the correct IRS address. After submitting, you'll either receive a refund, a bill for taxes owed, or a notice of a zero balance. Be aware that processing old paper returns can take longer than electronically filed current returns, sometimes several months. If you owe taxes and cannot pay immediately, contact the IRS to set up an installment agreement or offer in compromise. Always keep copies of all submitted returns and supporting documents for at least 7 years for your records. Good luck!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.